What's up, guys? We are in beautiful Florida because we got Cleetus and Cars, Burnout Rivals. Wait, no, it's called Burnout Rivals now. It's not called Cleetus and Cars. We got Burnout Rivals. We got the Freedom 500 that's going on tomorrow. This video was supposed to be started way earlier in the day. As you can see, it's night time now.
It's about, what, 3 hours?
Yeah, we had a 3-hour delay getting down here today. So our flight got delayed again. And that kind of threw our plans out, way out of the way. But we're here.
We're queer, and we're not going away.
We're going to do some burnouts. Even though we don't have Klaus, our friends over at Steps Towing actually hooked us up. They reached out, said they had this old Lincoln Town car. Just come grab it. They said blow it up, chop the top off, do whatever. So since time was getting a little low today, we are over here right now at Chucklinski Motors, right? Did I finally pronounce it right? Chucklinski Motors. You guys know Nick. Look at this. He's got the Shut Happens vehicle out here. You've seen him. He's part of Skits for Kids. He's got all this, you know, puzzle pieces, the wheels, all the good stuff. He was actually nice enough. He went out earlier today, picked up the car on a trailer, and has been working on it all day. That's a guy right there. Look at this car. Look at this guy. Nick, say what's up to all your friends.
How you doing?
All right, so give me the rundown. I know I'm many hours late, so what have you done to it so far?
Well, I got it. The intake was leaking coolant. Looked like it was going to blow. Carl's trying to spray this thing with nitrous. So the only logical thing to do was replace the intake with a brand new one. We fixed the exhaust, put some straight pipes on the exhaust, welded the rear end.
That was a
so
big
you can
thing.
Get both tires going.
So we're gonna pop both tires this time. You see, where's this old intake? Look at this thing. It was actually crusty McCrusterson, and grabbing the plastic, it was coming apart. So we would definitely blow the welds on that intake manifold.
Look at the rust.
Yeah, she's had a hard life. We just got the whole team helping us out. Steps Towing gave us the car. Nick picked up the car and is working on the car. I got with Holley yesterday morning. Holley is overnighting us new plugs that are one step colder, MSD coils. We got a coil box that's like a 2-step rev limiter and launch control, or all kinds of crazy stuff that's done to it. So we got the welded diff. Oh, then we also got the best thing ever, is a very nice wet nitrous kit. I believe it's NOS brand. So we're gonna have enough NOS in there to blow ourselves up, period. It's like adjustable from a 50 shot to a 250 shot. And Steps Towing actually said, blow it up, burn it down, chop the top off, do whatever you want. So we're gonna install all that stuff, chop this top off, most likely. What else we gotta do? Yeah, we're gonna take your top off. Hey, oh, what's that? You got an Elite Designs shirt?
Yeah, top notch, buddy.
You guys know Jacob Lee. Best guy. Best guy. Oh, the rear brakes. Are we just going to take off the calipers or just pinch? Are they rubber lines?
I think we should just pinch the lines.
Yeah, I would just pinch the lines. I have some line crimps that I'll give you. Then we can just crimp the line off, and it shouldn't be a problem after that. That way you can take them off if you need.
Oh yeah, that's why I was just going to go to Harbor Freight and sacrifice some and
Get a couple,
and just crimp them.
pairs of channel locks.
We're going to get this. So that's what we're going to do. You guys know I've never won a trophy. Only got third in pro. I'm not that good. This guy over here has way too many trophies. You don't.
Two.
That's too many. That's way more than me. But we're going to fly down. We're going to have a vehicle for 24 hours. We're going to win the open burnout contest just like that. And then we're going to laugh at Seth because he still sucks and doesn't have one.
You show him my favorite part of the car that I found?
Oh my God. You guys, this thing.
Let me introduce you to...
What did you find in there?
Carl's...
What is that?
Carl's safety restraint.
Why is there a ratchet strap? Why is there a ratchet strap holding the seat?
Because there's nothing safer than a strap, buddy.
This thing is grody. In the back seat, we got tires. There's a bowling bag in here. There's children's car seats, so Mason's good to go. Hey, Chris. Chris. I got you shoes.
Stop my time. That's a little big.
Chris, a baseball glove. You can play catch with me like my dad never did.
Daddy wasn't there.
This is actually a nice baseball glove. That's got mold on it.
The smell of this.
It smells really bad. Okay.
I wouldn't be concerned about the doors, Carl. That's how you know.
Ugh.
Yeah.
It's not that bad. You got to be in this thing for 2 minutes. You gonna be able to stand the smell?
I've been in some things that smelled bad for 2 minutes. That'll get
2
edited
minutes.
out. Do you want to steal anything off of this before they take it back when we're done?
Not really.
No.
Thing's pretty big turd. Chris, how long do you think we're gonna make it on the highway before this thing blows up?
Are we gonna make it to the highway?
We're going to fire this up. We need a name for the Lincoln. Or is it just the Lincoln?
Stinking Lincoln.
The Stinking Lincoln. Yeah, it is stinking. Oh no! Oh no! It won't do a burnout. Those rear brakes are probably grabbing it pretty hard.
Oh yeah.
I didn't think about the rear brakes.
Say, it's a town car. It's gonna do a burnout.
I love it. Next day, we made it to the B&B. It was like 1 in the morning. We were not getting anything done at all.
No, not at all.
So tired. But we got our wonderful Tesla here that we're going to take the Sawzall to and turn it into a minivan.
Just kidding. We're gonna do it to Typhoon.
The Typhoon right here. I know you guys know this. Nick and Frank, you know, from Racer Builder Pete are staying with us. They're still sleeping right now, being bums. But we got to head over to the Freedom Factory, pick up all our Holley stuff, and then go to the Skids for Kids B&B, where we're going to go have some fun with this Vic. It's like a 40-minute drive.
Something like that.
30 hours.
Let's go see how bad we can make it in HOA in a private in a neighborhood that isn't ours.
God, I hope we make it.
Look at all these Florida oranges.
Look at that one right there.
Gonna hit it.
Oh, shit! Whoopsies! Oh, wait, did we hit the mirror?
Yeah, we hit the mirror.
We didn't scratch the thing.
So what did we find?
So, Brandon here was checking connections. We had an injector that was loose, slightly unplugged. Now, look at this power. No misfire. Hooray! Alrighty. We needs to paint it. Vinyl paint? No, we gotta make this thing pop. What's the craziest colors that they have? Blues? Ooh, here's some like lime green. Gloss neon green.
That hyper orange.
Ooh. Alright. What color should we do? Color chameleon paint!
That's a dark chameleon.
Oh, that's
But
cool.
if we spray it over the bright green, it might be even better.
We might have to do that. Stay tuned. Oh, look at the new helmet. It's pretty wrapped. Like we have to wrap it all. I thought it was fully wrapped. Look at this special delivery package right here from our boys over at Holley. We got a NOS wet nitrous kit, decals, stickers. What's in the box?
What's in the box?
The box. Oh shoot.
We got in there.
Oh, I think this is the two-step box. Yeah, current booster, whatever they want to call it. Battery cutoff, you know, safety third. We got MSD spark plugs, nitrous nozzles. This is, I don't know what this is.
Coils down there.
Purge system, we got a purge, I forgot.
Well, you have to have a purge.
And then MSD coils. Woo. Decals, more stickers. What's in that one then?
Now, what do we say to Holly?
Holly, we love you. I mean, everyone loves Holly. They literally own everything.
Yeah.
They own me. That's true.
They're the best.
Ah, MSD. We got Rep All people helping us out. Let's get up there, get this merch booth set up. So today we just got the whole booth set up, working well. We got the car behind the booth. They said we could work on it behind it. We don't know if we can spray paint behind it. It's a little windy, but we're set up. We're ready to go. Giveaway Typhoon, merch booth, Captain Redbeard, merch. Come on out. Well, I don't know. The event will be over by the time you see this. Let's go cruise around. The race rebuild, repeat, trailer, the rip. Oh yeah, they blew up the transmission yesterday. Oh, that's that dude that likes to shotgun teas with me.
Where's my tea, brother?
Bro, we gotta get some teas.
I'm down to shot.
I'm not driving today.
How you doing, man?
Good.
You're not driving
shit.
today?
Oh no, I'm not
Praise
cool
the
enough
Lord.
to be in the 500. I wish I was.
Yeah.
Hey, that guy over here, give me some love.
It is good to see you.
Oh, how you doing, brother?
Good, man. Ready for today?
Oh, it's gonna be such a blast. Traditional shotgunning of the Twisted Teas with the Boosted Boys.
They got me a little wet, guys. Oh yeah.
Update time. So, Stinkin' Lincoln. Here it is. Pretty. Lots of stuff done. We didn't end up doing the burnout. It's been a good day, guys. I know you saw us working on it before. There's been like problem after problem with this car. Nitrous solenoids were leaking. Fuel solenoids were leaking. Broken fuel lines. It was not running that hot. So instead of really blowing it up and not doing anything cool and ruining the pad, we just decided not to do it. A lot of people actually thanked us for not doing it. You didn't see some of the workout stuff because a GoPro got damaged and we lost a lot of footage. It sucks a lot. Don't leave your GoPros in the sun where there's sand and other people around. They're gonna get smashed. But What can we do, guys? What can we do? Hopefully, Klaus will be in soon. We'll have that motor done in. It's been a day, if you can't tell. Lots of fun. You saw all the Burnout videos. We had a lot of fun. We never even planned on having a car here. So, big shout out to Steps Towing, Nick Kalita with Chuklinski Motors, and then for Holley for sending us the stuff. We are going to keep all the Holley stuff, and we're going to throw some nitrous maybe on Brandon's car or something. But that's it for now, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Balls are out.